Hello guys, welcome to watch my video. My name is Suri, and how you guys can stay safe in this pandemic. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about the tutorial of DIY mask. So if you got interested in doing mask yourself, so let's go ahead. For the shape and measurement of the mask, I'll put a link below this video. Just make sure you print it in landscape. First, you need to fold the clothes over and cut the clothes with the shape. In this procedure, remember to fix the clothes with the paper. You can use a clip to fix it. Repeat the same action to another clothes. Then, remember to mark the direction, or you will confuse because it looks so similar. Needlework starts here, so in the first needlework, we need to sew out the middle of the mask, this way. And here's the back stitching way we need to use. You can draw a 1 cm line to avoid slanting. Now, flatten this part with using the iron. Be careful with the hot iron here. Then, turn the clothes into the other side. We now start to sew the bottom of the mask. Fold 1 cm of the clothes twice, then our second needlework starts here. You can also use the iron to flatten your clothes so that it will be folded easily. So this time, we use another way to sew. First, stick the needle inside and come out, and then just go ahead, stick and come out again. Repeat again with another clothes. Congratulations! You have completed half of the process here. Now, turn the two clothes back. Put the two surfaces together and use your paper clip to fix the two clothes. Now, we'll sew these 3 sides. We'll use the same way to sew these 3 sides, and I'll show you again. Alright, so now we turn the mask back. Let the surface expose now. Here comes the last process. Put the nylon rope on the sides of the mask, then sew it up. After sewing up, tie your nylon rope together. Congratulations, your masks are complete now. So, this is our result today, and I'm going to wear it. So, if you guys have interested to do it, just try it because it's not very difficult. And also, you can insert your surgical mask inside. And also, for this mask, you can wash it and reuse it many times. So it is very recycle and also protect our environment. So this is all of our video. Bye!